The Tanzania National Olympic Committee has wished China a successful Beijing 2022 Winter Olympic Games, that will kick off on February 4. Ghulam Rashid, the president of the Tanzania National Olympic Committee, told Xinhua on Monday in Zanzibar that Tanzania fully supported China in hosting the Winter Olympic Games, although the East African nation will not participate because it does not have Winter Games.
I took part in 2008 Olympic Games in Beijing. That was Summer Olympic Games. Tanzania team participated in Olympic Games in 2008. So we support Beijing hosting this because they were given the opportunity by IOC, International Olympic Committee, to host the Olympic Games, Winter Olympic Games.
Rashid, 70, is a former football player and football coach for the Tanzania national team, Taifa Stars. He urged countries from across the world to participate in the Beijing Winter Olympics 2022, saying Olympics played a crucial role in uniting nations of the world.
All countries are taking part in Olympics. It's either Winter Games or Summer Games. We in Tanzania, we are taking part in Summer Olympic Games, which is going to take place in 2024 in Paris. We took part in Beijing Olympic Games in 2008. So to us, whenever there is Olympic Games, it's very important because we are meeting so many people. I mean, so many countries are taking part in you can say almost all countries, independent countries, are taking part in Olympic Games.
Asked about some politicians, especially in the West, who are calling for boycotting the Beijing Winter Olympics, Rashid insisted that politics should not be entertained in the Winter Olympic Games or in any other international games.
We should make sure that we don't give a disadvantage to the athletes. Athletes have been preparing for a long time to take part in the Olympic sport. So with the politics, a politics issue should not be taken in consideration on these sports activities. So we support the hosting of Beijing Winter Olympic Games this year.